Good morning. Let's make quick sambar rice. Take moong dal and tur dal in a pot. Add onion, tomato, carrot, tamarind, sambar powder, a little bit salt and jaggery. Add in water and cook it for 3 whistles in a pressure cooker. I'm cooking in instant pot for 15 minutes. 15 to 20 minutes would be fine. Now let's make lady's finger fry. Heat oil, add in the lady's finger. You can see it has a little bit slimy texture. For that I'm adding 1 tablespoon yogurt. Cook it on high heat for 5 minutes. Now the lady's finger would have been perfectly roasted. Add salt and black pepper. That's it, your lady's finger fry is done. Now the sambar is perfectly cooked. Let's make a tempering and mix well. Now let's pack the lunch box. I'm using cooked rice. Pour in the sambar. I add little bit extra sambar and make the mixture little loose. Now I make sure to pack a little curd rice since it is summer. For snacks box it is grapes. Now let's pack the lunch box. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.